Every time you flush, you create an engineering challenge. 1,000 liters of sewage water comes out of our home daily. If untreated, it contaminates river, it pollutes our ecosystem and threatens public health. That's why Sewage Treatment Plant STP exists. Inside an STP, wastewater flows through. Physical separation, removing solids, chemical treatment, neutralizing toxics, and biological processing where bacteria turns into organic waste. The result, water reused and sludge processed safely. But operating an STP isn't simple. Pump failure, overflow risk, regulatory pressure, and energy waste. Manual monitoring reacts only after the problem occurs. But today's infrastructure cannot operate in that way. This is where IoT transforms sewage treatment system. Smart sensors, real-time tracking, energy analytics, and instant alerts. So no assumptions, accurate data-driven control. From pollution risk to intelligent sustainability, this is modern core engineering.